AI is everywhere right now. And with that comes a lot of excitement, but also a lot of noise, right? Now, some people talk about AI is a shortcut to instant success. Others see it as something to fear. I want us to take a calmer look at how AI is actually creating new opportunities without the hype. What AI is actually good at, let's look at that. AI at its core is really good at few things. I know. I'll explain. AI is actually good at few things, really good at what few things. The first one is speeding up work. Yes, AI has the capacity at its core to speed up work. So let's take for example, thing that you could have used a lot of time to do manually, AI can do it in a short while at a very fast pace and consistent with that speed. Now, one thing you should know is that with that speed comes a caveat. If you are doing the wrong thing, AI will speed you up to do the wrong thing faster. If you're doing the right thing, AI will speed you up to do the right thing faster. So it tells you that AI doesn't decide what matters. It helps you move faster once you do. So AI will not tell you. Take example. If you are a video editor, right? Now you have to decide how you want to put your scenes together, your background sound and all that. Now AI cannot charge or decide those things for you unless you know what matters. So if you put the wrong thing there that does not even complement the entire story, AI cannot tell you that, okay, this is not, it doesn't decide what matters. The second thing that AI is good at is lowering barriers to entry. Yeah. So there are a lot of fields that you need a lot of years to build some skills to be able to enter into. But with the invention of AI, the entry to these areas is becoming less difficult. Take photography, take video editing, take all these digital skills that used to take a lot of years for. It was a hard kind of skill. Now AI has lowered that barrier, and a lot of people can easily make use of these AIs and break those barriers and make some entry. The third thing that AI is actually good at is that helping people organize and create more effective flow. So, for example, if you know what you want to do, but your organization is poor, you could ask AI after you've put all your requirement, whatever you need, to organize it in a better way that makes more sense. So, with that, it speeds up, it goes back to the first point, it speeds up how these organizations are done. Now, let me move you to what AI as a tool is, not a guarantee. So, this is where you need to know about AI. AI is just a tool, just like any tool. Let me take you to your kitchen. When you go to cook, there are a lot of tools there. You have maybe your knife, you have your chopping board, you have your cooking pot, you have so many things there. Now, those are tools. It is up to you, the cook, to know which tool is used for what purpose, right? If you were take, you want to cook, let's say you want to fry yam, and then you pick the knife and put it on fire, the knife is just going to tell you that, okay, that's not what I meant for, I cannot do it, right? Yeah, AI can decide on some of these things to some extent, but if you're doing the wrong thing, the tool helps you do the wrong thing, right? The same thing as AI, it doesn't guarantee you, it's a tool, so you have to know how to use it, right? So let's take for example, one important thing to understand is that tools don't create outcomes on their own. Yes, tools don't create outcome on their own. People do. So you have to create the outcome that you want for AI to just help you speed it up. Platforms like ChatGPT, AI coding assistance, AI design assistance, AI organization tools don't magically change someone's life. They amplify what's already there. If you are thoughtful, they make you more effective. If you are careless, they just help you move faster in the wrong direction. So if you go to ChatGPT to go and ask about maybe how to prepare fufu, maybe you don't know, you are learning how to cook, you see ChatGPT. If you tell ChatGPT how to prepare fufu and what I want to use is that I want to use yam, right? ChatGPT, you put all you want to use cassava, you put all the right ingredients, it may be able to give you a better response. But you go and say, I want to prepare fufu, but what I want to use to prepare the fufu is what can be used for fufu? Let's say bread. You put bread inside, say you want to use bread to do prepare fufu and put all the other ingredients. AI is going to tell you how to use bread to prepare fufu. So it means that the outcome is basically based on what you feed AI. So if you don't know what you're doing and you throw the wrong direction, AI will help you to move faster in that wrong direction and you get deep into it. So this comes to the point that AI will create opportunities if you've actually learned a real skill and you know what you are about. Now, there's a link to my first video about what real skills are. I'll post it under this video. Click on it, and you will see how you can actually benefit from the new opportunities that AI are giving if you actually have an actual skills that lasts. Right. Now, where the real opportunity is regarding AI. The real opportunity with AI isn't in chasing trends. You've seen a lot of people are doing AI generated video, you too are doing it. You are seeing it everywhere, so you too are doing it. A lot of people are using AI to do some stuff. You are chasing trends. It's in learning how to work with these tools over time. So you have to know if you are a writer, you are a writer. You see, there are tons of AI tools. If you're a writer, you need to know, okay, which AI tools can help me with my writer skills and learn how to work with these things to complement you. They are not replacing you. So some of us use AI as our replacement. I want to do something I don't even know. I have no idea. I'll ask AI to do it. Yeah, people will tell you, oh, you don't have to know how to code and you can use AI. To some extent, yeah, 90%, but the remaining 10%, if you don't know anything about coding, you cannot even host that application. There are so many things you need to tweak for it to work. And so AI will just give you what you need to have, and the rest come to the actual skill, the technical know-how to make it work as expected. Right. People who benefit most from AI tend to do the following. So you can choose one. Stay curious. Yeah. You are in a particular field, you want to be curious about what is at my disposal in this field that I can use AI for. Keep learning, yeah. The AI tools, you need to understand them to maximize them. Adapt gradually, yeah. You have to do it step by step and focus on usefulness, not hype. Yeah, not that, oh, they said this AI tool is good at creating images. You just run to there. Oh, they said this one is good at doing this. You run to there. The hype will make you kind of like get lost in the sea of AI tools. So stay focused and make sure that you focus on what is useful to you and not the hype. AI rewards consistency actually and clarity, not something about shortcuts. So let's move on to talk about a little bit of what AI can do in the long run. As you have already been told or you have gone through this video, AI will not reward you overnight, right? It's not an overnight success tool. It is a tool that you can incorporate and help you be efficient at your work. The work that you used to deliver 2 days, the work that used to take you 5 days, a week, hours to do, if you know how to use AI and you have learned a skill, it helps you do it faster and in the right direction. So don't get lost in the area that AI is doing so many things and you just jump in and probably heading towards the wrong direction if you are not technically sound about what you're doing and you don't understand what you're doing in details. So yeah, I guess I'll give you some platforms that in my next video that will help you build your technical competency. So take for example, if you want to go into video making, AI video making, some tools that you use to learn to actually understand it. If you want to go into writing, the tools that you need. If you want to go into, let's say, audio, yeah, you can just stick to text to audio, like those stuff. You just need to pick a niche, as you will say, and master it and become an asset in that area. You cannot be jack of all trade, we know. So you need to choose any. Otherwise, you see yourself working with AIs, but you don't even know where your strength actually lies. Thank you. If you have reached this far, give me a subscribe, a follow, and let's get the do's and don'ts and the good stuff that AI provide us and how we can maximize that.